Special entity for June coal. Here's the price. The government through the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources is certain to form a coal-specific entity or agency in June 2022. The Special Agency for Coal was formed to collect coal fees from coal sales with market prices adjusted for the difference in the latest coal benchmark price of $70 per ton. Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources Arifin Tasrif said the special coal entity was in progress to be institutionalized. The target is in June. The coordination will be under the Coordinating Ministry for Maritime Affairs and Investment, explained Minister Arifin in a working meeting, Raker with Commission VII DPR. What is clear, said Arifin, is that the formation of the special coal entity will involve coal mining associations. In the future, it will be the task of the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry to be able to gather all members of the coal companies into the Coal Special Institute, where contributions will be collected from coal sales. There will be several scheme programs that will be carried out. The point is that later assignments will be given to several large miners. The previous BLU concept was that coal producers or coal sellers to PLN would be subject to a levy in the form of a price difference from the coal price of $70 per ton. Fill in for example. For example, if the market price of coal reaches $150 per ton, PLN will buy it at the market price. However, the government will impose a levy on coal producers in the amount of the difference between the price of $150 per ton and $70 per ton, which means that the government will levy $80 per ton on coal producers. But in fact, BLU and coal special entity are not much different. Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources Arifin said the difference in price will be covered through fees. The amount depends on the capacity and specifications of the company. Hopefully in June, we will wait for a follow-up meeting. The process is ongoing. In this case, it requires data and collects all coal mining communities, said Minister Arifin. Meanwhile, Executive Director of the Indonesian Coal Mining Association, Hendra Sinadia, revealed that based on Kadin's proposal, it is necessary to form a special coal entity as a long-term solution for this domestic coal supply. What will it take? We will follow the provisions of the government. The most important thing is that we contribute to the country, said Hendra to CNBC Indonesia.